Did you know that with IXL Analytics, you can see every question your students have answered? IXL's questions log report is great for one-on-one work with a student. It allows you to see each question attempted by your students, helping you see what problems your students have answered correctly and which they are struggling with. Once you're in the report, select a skill, followed by a student to review that student's performance on the skill. Another way to access the questions log is through the skill analysis report by clicking on a student name. This is useful if you want to understand a student's progress on a skill and uncover any patterns or misconceptions in their work. In the report, you can see the student's SMART score for the skill, as well as each question they've answered and whether the answer was correct. You can even choose to view missed questions only and hide the correct answers. Then, print the report to create a helpful worksheet for one-on-one review with your student. This comprehensive view into each student's practice sessions enables you to spot patterns, diagnose trouble areas, and help students excel. Get an in-depth look at your students' performance at ixl.com/analytics.